public leaders are involved because they have vested interest in this situation. They had some their money were involved, and he was disclosing. आम्ही त्याला धडा शिकवला means what?
There's a major development in the Rohit Arya hostage case. A petition has been filed in the Bombay High Court claiming that the whole encounter was fake. The petitioner has also demanded the CBI probe into the whole case. We are joined by Advocate Nitin Satpute, who has filed this petition in the Bombay High Court. Sir, welcome to Free Press Journal. Sir, it's a very sensitive case. 17 children were held hostage. Later, Rohit Arya died in the police firing. Now you are demanding CBI probe. You're also claiming that the whole encounter was fake and fabricated. What will you add more to this? And what's there in this whole petition?
See, it is in any lawyer who can say that this is the fake encounter. Okay, encounter word there is no any word in any book of law. No, not in Constitution, not in IPC, not in BNS, or not in BNSS. Then from where this word derive? This encounter name is given by the police. Okay, to eliminate threat, to eliminate gangsters and terrorists. In the era of the 1960, there was a huge gangster gang were operating in the Mumbai. Okay, and they were killing people, demanding ransom, and they have harassed Mumbai. Okay, they have given too much trouble to the Mumbaikars. So that time, one CP, Commissioner of Police of Mumbai, Jolly Ribero, he had formed the one unit which is called encounter specialist. Okay, to eliminate all these gangsters and gundas. They started eliminating and killing the people. Encounter means what? The cross firing. Either two people are firing to each other. That is called encounter. And in that case, to protect yourself, as a self-defense, you can shoot a bullet to that person. That is called encounter. This Rohit Arya, whether he was a terrorist, whether he was a gangster, whether he had any criminal background like that, whether had he cheated anyone, had he kidnapped anyone in past, nothing. No, there is no single NC complaint must not be there. So he is a simple man. He is a businessman. He is a contractor. He had brought a project for the school for children, and even Narendra Modi has appreciated his work in Gujarat. In 2012, he has launched some project, successfully launched and conducted project in the Gujarat, Junagadh also, in one other state also. Modi has appreciated throughout the nation, and in Maharashtra, his project is still on. Okay, and
but his dues were pending, his financial dues were pending before the government, but it is very wrong to kidnap these 17 children.
Yes. See, first of all, I am not supporting his act. Okay, I will come to this. Okay, he has kidnapped this no, not kidnapped. He has kept the hostage. It cannot be called as a kidnap. Kidnap is what? He has brought some children from someone and detained somewhere. That is called kidnap. He has not kidnapped. He has kept hostage. Okay, so I will come to that point. See, then his fund, his amount, remuneration was payable by the government. Okay. But they have not paid it. He was demanding his money to pay his 2 crore or something. I have been receiving many information from his family or his friend. This education department, education minister has launched project with his help. There are 3 government resolution was passed in his name specifically, and only this contract was given to him only. Why he is a special person? Why they have given this contract to him? Okay, but they had some financial, they have vested interest in that film, in that GR. One Samartha film, Samartha film is also there. Some producer company is there. He had Apsara Entertainment Company. Government, he has manufactured many movies through this entertainment company. But when the time has come to pay him, they paid in the name of Samartha film. And the Samartha film tag was given to that film. He was annoyed at that time. Well, this is my company, Apsara Entertainment. And from where this Samartha film came, why this amount was credited in the account of the Samartha film. Sri Samartha film, SHREE 1,
Okay.
and another one more company, SHRI Sri, like
Okay.
two Sri Samartha, but both are Sri Samartha. There is a little difference of the spelling. Two company were established, and all amount has been credited in that account instead of Apsara Entertainment. Now, this is a spark of the dispute. Okay. Thereafter, dispute started between them. He had not received any money from the government. Money was gone to in that both account. Now, this both account belongs to whom? That is question. I have photograph. I'll show you photographs. There is letter also.
Okay.
In that letter, Deepak Kesarkar is appreciating that Samartha film. Samartha film. He is not owner of that Samartha film. Okay, but that amount is gone in that account. Thereafter, many dues which were not paid. He has launched a very good project for the student. Okay, he has made beautification of the all schools in the throughout the Maharashtra. All the condition of the school in Maharashtra are dilapidated.
Sir, but Kesarkar has denied all the charges and he said he has nothing to do with this.
What charges? Who said charges?
Kesarkar.
No, but I have not said anything about the charges. Okay, I am coming to this. See, this is a financial fraud. Okay, the Samartha film belongs to whom? Why the Kesarkar has given the 9 lakh from his own account? Suppose I require 10 crore rupees. If I approach Kesarkar, will he give? No give. He will not give. So why he has given 9 lakh to this deceased? Now that is a question. Okay, there is some vested interest in that. So we'll have to find out. We'll have to investigate by the police and by the court also, with the court intervention. He had no intention to cause any harm to any children. Yes, he took a disadvantage of that audition because.
But he had air guns, he had chemicals, he was threatening the children, calling the parents, video call, he also did a video call to the parents.
You also see his video. He say that he don't want to cause any harm to the children. Why he has taken this step, extreme step to kill himself as well as other? See, he said, I will cause harm to myself, I will burn myself. Okay, I don't know then what will be the consequences to the children.
He will burn the entire studio, that is what he said.
Because it is out of frustration. He was not asking ransom to the government. He was not asking any extortion money to government. He was asking his rightful money. But government has reluctant. Government has neglected. They have not paid any heed to him. But that is why he has misused. He has used or misused that situation to receive his money from the government. But he might have played a drama because children were there. He thought that by saying this, the government at least they will pay. They will say something, or someone will come for negotiation. Nothing is done. Why this? Then this special trained people were not called to negotiate with him.
Sir, but there are reports claiming that during the negotiations, Kesarkar was also contacted and his statement will also be recorded.
Now, I'm not asking about that time situation was that. Why DCP was talking to him for 2 hours? Not DCP, that Amol Bagware was telephonically were discussing him. Whether he's an expert in negotiation, he is not an expert person. They should have called someone who can settle this situation or negotiate with him so that this situation could not have arise. Okay, but they have not done. They sent simple person, the EPI, who is only trained to kill someone. Okay, he has no any skill to talk anyone. So this situation was mishandled by the police. They have not taken proper decision. Commissioner of Police has not taken steps to negotiate with him and settle this position to save the children and himself also.
So who all are involved in this? And you have also claimed that this all happened at the behest of the political leader. So who all are involved in this?
See, the killing of the Rohit Arya, directly shot, there is a shot in his chest. There is only any other effort to neutralize him, to eliminate his threat, or he cause any injury to his leg or other normal part of other limbs of the body. They directly shot on his chest. That officer is properly trained, who know the important part of the body, where to cause injury so that that person will not be alive. He has punctured his lungs, thereafter his heart. Okay, so there is no any possibility that person will be survive. bullet came, went inside and came back from the outside from the backside of that person.
But police did firing in self-retaliation, self-defense and retaliation.
Self-retaliation means what? He should have fired first, right?
That is what they are claiming.
No, do you your conscience does allow this thing that their statement they are rightly saying? If he is firing, he has any gun, whether he has fired, then you can retaliate. But he has not done so. He had only air gun. Air gun means what? It cannot be. There cannot be any death of that air gun. Even rat will not be killed. Okay. Yeah. See. So they know also. They also said he had a air gun. So when you know that that was a air gun, why you shot him? He misused this situation. He took a disadvantage of the situation to receive his money from the government. But government knowing that, instead of negotiating with him, they sent this Amol Wagmare inside to shot him.
At whose behest all this was done? You claim that political leaders were involved in this.
Definitely, political leaders are involved because they have vested interest in this situation. They had their money were involved, and he was disclosing the money, the trail of the money, where the money is going. And so that is a possibility, because only to suppress his secret, they have decided to kill him.
Who are these political leaders?
I cannot take name. That is a matter of investigation. I will give their name in the court only. Okay. I have been receiving information about them, about those things, and even now, some ministers, DCM, who said, Eknath Shinde said on that day, आम्ही त्याला धडा शिकवला. आम्ही त्याला धडा शिकवला means what? What does it mean? It means you said to kill him. आम्ही त्याला म्हणजे आम्ही means who? आम्ही means who? तर along with you, who are involved? It's a confession by the DCM. I am not saying that he has killed, but it is his statement. Confession with you, any other person is there? आम्ही त्याला धडा शिकवला, त्याच्याबरोबर असणारे जे होते अजून कोण तिकडे त्याला देखील धडा शिकवणार. ठीक आहे. He said like that. So let the court decide now. Okay. It's a clear encounter. In every encounter there will be inquiry.
Sir, now currently Mumbai crime branch is investigating this whole case. Why do you think this case should be transferred to the CBI?
See, crime branch is also part of Maharashtra Police, Mumbai Police. The officer of the crime branch and Mumbai Police are always interchanged or internally transferred to each other. Okay, they are the same authority. They are the same batchmate. They are the same friend. Okay, they are Maharashtra Police. So they will not take any action against their colleague or friend or who they know, because they are also working for Maharashtra Police. So they will try to save. Okay, in Akshay Shinde matter, till the last moment of the hearing of this matter in the High Court, police were saying and government were supporting them. Police were also supporting this police accused. Okay, who shot him. So they will not act against the police. They will save him. So CBI is the authority who cannot protect, who cannot save them, who cannot shield them. Even this minister also. Minister if there is any involvement of any minister, who will also protect this officer. An officer will protect these ministers. Okay. If the matter goes to the CBI, they will not have any control over the CBI. CBI will do their work properly. Okay, with the under monitoring of the court.
What are your main demands in this petition that you have filed?
First of all, this is a killing. So if someone is killed, that is murder. Okay, person is died. He is not died in accident. He is died with the bullet. Okay, so FIR of the murder has to be registered against prima facie initially 3 officers. Okay, that Amol Wagmare, Datta Nalode, and senior PA Jitendra Sonone, and his associates officers. And later on, after investigation, this will be revealed. Okay, who has instigated or provoked or at the instance they had committed this crime. Now, police means CBI will investigate this thing. We know time to time we will provide inputs to the CBI or any other investigation agency. So truth will come out one day.
We also spoke to the parents of the children who were taken into hostage. We also spoke to the eyewitness, the hostages themselves. They described the whole horror, the sorrow that they have seen. They were very concerned about their children. So there is one side who is protecting Rohit Arya, but do you think the investigation should be done in the proper matter, because those were 17 small children who were taken into hostage?
Already I told you, no? Because he has taken wrong step.